Hi folks, welcome back. Today we're going to see how we can publish and share demos. Let's go ahead and click on publish and our demo is published. Also know that after we publish the demo, the changes you make aren't going to reflect unless you publish the demo again. All right, so we have two ways of sharing the demo. One is embedding it in a landing page where we have the iframe code right here. We copy this and this is how the demo is going to look. And another way is to open this demo in a new tab using the URL. And we also have configure site setting features where you can upload the brand logo, demo title, CTA text, choose a background theme, etc. So let's go ahead and open the URL. This is our demo right here. Thank you, folks. Stay tuned for further videos.